I've been working with IDST for 10 years. So I joined at 2010, like now 2021, so I completed 10 years. The entry process is totally different, and the experience I got in the entry process makes me feel like this is the company I need to work for. And the entry process a little long, like take 2 weeks. The interview process is totally different, like compared with other 15 companies. Like here I feel they're expecting a person like who can make some changes on the technology side. So that kind of thing I can see on the interview process. It's not like kind of normal interview process, like just write a paper and evaluate your answers and select those. Here the way they explain the problem statement and they expecting the solution and how we are going to approach the problems is all those things, how they explain to us is totally different. So because I spent like more than 1.5 hours with him.
Right.
So he showed me like a lot of questions from my like theoretical knowledge from college courses, like from C, data structure, Java, and everything. He showed the questions. So the training is actually the very golden period in IDST IT, because like after I finished my college, so I have some opinion about the application software development. So this is the application, this is software development. But once I started the training, it's all my assumptions and opinions got changed. So this is okay. This is the software development. This is the application development. So after 3 months, in the 3 months of training, like I learned a lot of things. So like what are the things I theoretically learned in 4 years in college, after that like spend few months in other institute, this 3 months give me like a lot of knowledge about that software development. I can say like after 3 months of training I able to create and deploy web applications using JSP, Spring and MySQL. So before the training I just know these keywords, but after 3 months I able to create my own applications using this technology. So from the day one, like if you have any doubts, I can reach out to anyone, including Murli in this company. So they are listening and offer the help or offer opportunity to work on the right things. So that doesn't change much from day one to here. IDST IT, like always they try the new things, so they will not like a typical software company and work on the standard things, so get the project, deliver and all those things. Always they explore the new things. This is one of the practice they launched, like AppDynamics, which is like application performance monitoring and performance tuning. So they advised us to take the certification on this thing and work on those product. So we spent like more than 6 months on that product, and I work with like more than 20 to 30 applications to configure the application performance monitoring and the performance tuning. So this gives me the insight of like how the application should work, because we normally do the development and we just hand it over to the customer, right? So this tool, like this new practice, helped me to understand like how the application need to work. So instead of just capture the value and store it on the database, instead of that, like how the application need to behave for the end users. So that's the thing I learned from this AppDynamics practice. Everyone likes about it, so they invest the money and time to do this. Even the customer doesn't ask, like that doesn't matter. So if it feel right, it will do it. So even they don't, customer doesn't ask, that also will do it, but we'll keep it as a learning for our side. So because that gives us like more interesting things to learn parallelly with our project also. I've done this practice 6 months, like I got an option to work with a bigger client in the healthcare industry in the USA. So they are doing a post-acute care. So I'm part of the team as well, like the initial team, like we started with 6 people for that project. So we went to like 6 months of development. So after the 6 months of development, like the company offered me like to go and visit the client in United States. So that time I'm little scared because like I just had 5 years of experience. Somehow like I'm managing all the clients and project over here, but if it is the statements, it's going to be totally different. Like so, even from the language to the way the people and everything's going to be totally different. But that time management gives me like more confident, like I should able to do it. Like you don't feel different, so you can able to handle those things when you go there. So that time I don't have like full trust on the work, but I take that opportunity and visited that office. Then I realized like what are the things I learned in Idea Street in past 5 years that played a major role to win all the tech conversation, even with the bigger tech giants in that Silicon Valley companies. So that was really awesome experience. What are the things we learned in past 5 years? Like that's the most investment I made to solve these kind of problems.
Thank you.